name is Boo.
Everyone, I'm Constance.
But it's both easy and convenient. Step 1. So the packaging goes on the
G'day, my name is Tiana. I've been part of the Chamberlain family since 2008. Today I will be showing you how to make an epoxy resin coaster. For this project, you will need a drop sheet, your resin mold, your alcohol ink, permanent marker, your epoxy, the mica powder and epoxy resin toolkit. Before you start, remember to mark your bottles. Bottle A, mark it A, this will be your resin. B, mark your bottle B, this will be your hardness. You don't want your bottles to be mixed up as it causes a chemical reaction that makes the product hard. This is an equal part system, so you need to have equal bottle A and equal bottle B. I'm going to do 40 mils and 40 mils. Make sure that you put the correct lid on the bottle, otherwise the product will harden. Now you got your bottle A and your bottle B, we're going to mix them together. Mix your product for 2 minutes before the hardening process starts. I'm going to take a little bit of the mix into a separate container to add color. This is the mica powder. It will give you a solid coloring. Only add a little bit. Make sure your mold is clean. I'm going to take my alcohol ink. Remember, alcohol ink gives you a transparent colorant, where the mica powder is a solid colorant. I'm going to put my design directly onto my mold. I only need a little bit. And now for the resin. I'm going to add my resin and my mica powder together. The product starts to set within 4 hours. Fully cured, 24 to 48 hours. Then you can use the product. And there you have it, your own epoxy coaster. Thank you for watching. For more expert advice on all things hobby related, visit any of our 9 Chamberlain stores where expert is ready to assist. Chamberlain, famous for hardware since 1903.